Inside the $5 billion Apple Park, the spaceship. Embark with me on a detailed exploration of the awe-inspiring architectural and technological marvel known as Apple Park, particularly its iconic centerpiece, the Spaceship Campus. This state-of-the-art campus, valued at a staggering $5 billion, stands as a testament to Apple Incorporated's commitment to innovation and design excellence. The birth of Apple Park. The inception of Apple Park, with its Spaceship Campus at its core, traces back to the visionary dreams of Apple's co-founder, Steve Jobs. Imagine the conceptual genesis as Jobs envisioned a campus that transcended the conventional, aspiring to create a space where innovation, creativity, and collaboration would flourish seamlessly. The Spaceship Campus, often colloquially referred to as the ring or donut, stands as the physical manifestation of Jobs' visionary ideals, a testament to his enduring impact on the identity and aspirations of Apple Incorporated. Architectural grandeur. Navigate through the awe-inspiring architectural grandeur of Apple Park, with a particular focus on the Spaceship Campus. Envision the meticulous design process that gave form to this circular structure spanning a vast 2.8 million square feet. The exterior, encased in the world's largest panels of curved glass, transcends mere aesthetics. It encapsulates functionality, fostering unity and collaboration among Apple's diverse workforce within its elegantly curved walls. The architecture of the spaceship is a testament to the marriage of form and function, where the physical space harmonizes with the ethos of innovation. Foster Plus Partners. Delve into the collaborative wizardry of Foster Plus Partners, the esteemed architectural firm entrusted with translating Jobs' vision into a tangible masterpiece. Explore the design philosophy that guided the creation of the Spaceship Campus, where architectural form seamlessly aligns with functional objectives in a symphony of precision. Foster Plus Partners, in their creative prowess, seamlessly blended cutting-edge design with sustainable principles, ensuring that the spaceship not only captivates the observer but stands as an exemplar of environmental responsibility, embodying the core values of Apple Incorporated. The lush Apple Park landscape. Extend our exploration beyond the architectural splendor to the meticulously curated landscape enveloping Apple Park. Envision a sprawling, lush environment covering a staggering 175 acres, adorned with over 9,000 native and drought-resistant trees. This green oasis, masterfully curated by the renowned landscape architect Jonathan Ive in collaboration with Foster Plus Partners, serves as a serene counterpoint to the technological prowess housed within the spaceship. It symbolizes a deliberate effort to strike a harmonious balance between nature and innovation, fostering a holistic and inspiring work environment. Cutting-edge auditorium. Descend beneath the surface into the subterranean marvel that is the Steve Jobs Theater, nestled within the heart of Apple Park. Envision a cutting-edge auditorium featuring a 165-foot diameter glass pavilion entrance, providing an architectural prelude to the technological wonders within. The theater, bearing the name of Apple's visionary co-founder, serves as a testament to the company's commitment to innovation and homage to its storied history. It stands as a venue for product launches, embodying the spirit of creativity and unveiling that has been a hallmark of Apple's identity. Technological marvels within the spaceship. Embark on a journey through the inner sanctum of the Spaceship Campus, where technological marvels define the workspaces of Apple's brilliant minds. Envision the fusion of innovation and functionality as cutting-edge facilities, collaborative spaces, and state-of-the-art research labs unfold within the circular confines of the spaceship. This architectural marvel isn't merely a static structure, but a dynamic ecosystem that fosters creativity, collaboration, and forward-thinking, echoing the ethos of Apple's commitment to pushing technological boundaries. Innovative workspaces. Navigate through the innovative workspaces housed within the Spaceship Campus, each meticulously crafted to nurture creativity and collaboration. Envision open-plan offices bathed in natural light, fostering an atmosphere of transparency and idea sharing. Collaborative zones, strategically placed, encourage impromptu interactions among Apple's diverse workforce, promoting a culture of cross-disciplinary collaboration. The interior design reflects an ethos where every detail is intentional, creating an environment that not only stimulates productivity but also embodies the principles of aesthetic excellence. The Cafe Max experience. Dive into the culinary innovation and communal bonding that defines the Cafe Max experience within the Spaceship Campus. Envision a vast cafeteria space designed to not only satiate appetites but also serve as a hub for informal discussions and idea exchange. The design philosophy extends to the culinary offerings, with focus on fresh, locally sourced ingredients, reflecting Apple's commitment to sustainability and employee well-being. Cafe Max is more than a dining space. It's a microcosm of Apple's holistic approach to fostering creativity and community. The Sustainability Initiative. Explore Apple Park's commitment to sustainability, where the Spaceship campus stands as a pioneering example of environmental responsibility. Envision a comprehensive approach that includes on-site recycling facilities, energy-efficient design, and the use of renewable energy sources. The Spaceship is equipped with one of the largest on-site solar installations globally, symbolizing Apple's dedication to reducing its environmental footprint. The lush landscaping, including drought-resistant trees and water recycling initiatives, further underscores Apple's pledge to create a green campus for a greener tomorrow. Foster Plus Partners Design Philosophy. Delve deeper into Foster Plus Partners design philosophy that governs the entire Apple Park, emphasizing the delicate balance between form and function. Envision an architectural approach that integrates aesthetics seamlessly with practical considerations. From the meticulous curvature of the Spaceship's glass panels to the intentional placement of collaborative spaces, every aspect is a testament to the collaborative spirit that defines Apple's corporate culture. Foster Plus Partners' commitment to sustainable design echoes Apple's broader mission, creating a harmonious union between architectural innovation and environmental responsibility. The Visitor Center. Extend our exploration to the Visitor Center, serving as a gateway to innovation and an immersive brand experience. Envision a space where visitors can engage with Apple's latest products, explore augmented reality exhibits, and witness firsthand the company's commitment to design excellence. The Visitor Center encapsulates Apple's dedication to transparency, inviting the public to experience the essence of innovation and creativity that defines the company's ethos. Apple Park's impact on Silicon Valley's landscape. Reflect on the broader impact of Apple Park on Silicon Valley's landscape, where the Spaceship campus has become an iconic symbol of technological innovation. Envision the shifting skyline, with the Spaceship standing as a beacon of progress and a testament to Silicon Valley's role as the epicenter of technological advancement. The architectural and technological prowess showcased within Apple Park resonates far beyond its physical boundaries, influencing the narrative of innovation in the global tech industry. A pinnacle of innovation and inspiration. From visionary ideals to architectural grandeur, sustainable practices, and immersive brand experiences, Apple Park epitomizes the pinnacle of innovation and inspiration. The Spaceship campus isn't just a physical structure. It's a testament to the values that have defined Apple Incorporated's journey. It stands as a reminder that innovation isn't confined to products. It extends to the very spaces where creativity flourishes, setting the stage for a future where technology and design converge in harmony. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.